Check this out, TikTok. News break. And LinkedIn. Alright, look. So the standard procedure is when you write these up, type these up, and you type them out. You get it notarized in your counselor's office and you have your letter and everything ready. So as soon as they do this, you leave this letter with them to get filed. So right away when they notarize this, you put it in the envelope, seal it, and you leave it with the counselor. And then they mail it out. Alright, so petition for writ of habeas corpus, motion for withdrawal of guilty plea. Now, this would have got sent with it, and we seen the transcripts, right? They acknowledge they get the habeas corpus and the motion to withdraw guilty plea. So filed the 19th day of August. Now check out Stephen Jensen's letter. September 16th, he writes me a letter. The court has received your petition for writ of habeas corpus. And then he sends me a September 21st motion to withdraw plea and petition for writ of habeas corpus. Look at the docket filing. Look how they falsified the records in the docket system. So he sends me a letter first, September 16th, June, July, August, September, saying they received it on the 16th. Look when it gets filed on the case summary on the docket judicial, South Dakota Unified Judicial System. It's flawed, you guys. The South Dakota Unified Judicial System, their docketing sheet. So he writes me a letter talking about he got it on September 16th, and then it doesn't get filed till September 29th. And then they start counting these days. But it actually got sent in August. At the latest, August 25th. August 24th. But for filing purposes, it was considered filed on this day when they got it and I deposited it in the mail. So it's actually 7 months. So how is this not tampering with records? So it doesn't even list Stephen Jensen's letter to me. The return of writ. Motion, certificate of service, letter from the judge. Why is he writing me letters? 10/22. So that would have been October 22nd. I got it September 16th. Oh, that's the judge, Judge Roosh. Yeah, it doesn't even say Stephen Jensen's letter. So the return of writ. What did you say that statute was? Return to writ, 15 days. Certificate of service. That was me sending that in. I sent those in. But we sent it in this day. There's nothing in here that says there was an order for show cause for, or a motion for delay. Unless for good cause, additional or less time is granted. There's nothing in here saying granting additional time. Contempt and forfeiture by sheriff or jailer. Any officer of the court, sheriff, jailer, warden duly, or other person to whom any writ of habeas corpus is directed. The state of South Dakota shall neglect or refuse. So is that neglect or is that a refusal to get me back within the 15 day? Then they transferred and concealed me to Unit C. And then later they transferred and concealed me to the military base. Exhibits, exhibits, exhibits. I don't know where these letters from Melissa Larson are. 316. There was no appeal. What happened for the appeal? That's tampering with records. Tampering with records. Tampering with records. Jeannie Bossman, dated the 7th day of May. (2013). Proceedings concluded on what day? July 20th of 2009. And she dated the 7th day of May 2013. (10:50 a.m.) They ended at 10:50, so 25 minutes. That was a sentencing.
He's gonna throw garbage in the trash and then throw it at me.